dumpster rental service in Easton, Pennsylvania. Scotchwood Disposal Services Inc. is the premier provider of dumpster rental service in Easton, Pennsylvania. With an extensive range of dumpster sizes available, we are well equipped to meet the unique requirements of any project, from residential renovations and spring cleaning to commercial construction and debris removal. Our mission is to streamline your waste management process by offering prompt, efficient, cost-effective solutions tailored to your needs. We pride ourselves on delivering exceptional service, which is marked by competitive pricing, reliable delivery, and timely pickups that keep your project on schedule. Our flexible rental terms ensure that you can focus on your project without undue concern about waste disposal logistics. At Scotchwood Disposal Services Inc., we are committed to upholding the highest professionalism and customer care standards in the waste disposal industry. Our dedicated team of professionals manages every aspect of your service with precision, from the initial consultation to the final pickup, ensuring a seamless, hassle-free experience. For further information or to schedule a dumpster rental in Easton, Pennsylvania, contact us at 833-737-3867. Trust Scotchwood Disposal Services Inc. to be your reliable partner in effective waste management solutions.